enjoyed a small sneak peek into the property. Hello everyone, I'm Kalpana and I'll be your property guide today. So today we are at a property that is so dazzling and mesmerizing at the same time that it cannot be compared to anything earthly. एक ऐसा लैंडमार्क जिसे देखने के बाद आंखें खुली रह जाएं और दिल कहे काश I could enjoy this every day. Presenting to you Supernova Spira, not the star in the space but the star of real estate. It's the tallest waterfront development in entire India. दिल्ली से जैसे ही आप नोएडा एंटर करते हैं, ये बिल्डिंग आपको दूर से ही सलाम करती है. अ रेयर बिल्डिंग जिसके नाम पर एक मेट्रो स्टेशन है, सुपरनोवा ओखला बर्ड सेंचुरी. वो बिल्डिंग जिसमें दुबई जैसा ग्लास वॉक है कि जब आप चले तो ऐसा लगे कि आप बादलों में हैं. ये सिर्फ एक बिल्डिंग नहीं, ये एक आइकॉनिक लैंडमार्क है. इट्स एन एक्सपीरियंस. Spira is a rare luxury that only a select few can own. A landmark location everyone envies क्योंकि ये है situated यमुना के बैंक पर at the crossroad of posh South Delhi, high-end Noida and elite East Delhi. This tower has 26 high-speed elevators जो सेव करता है आपका हर सेकंड because every second counts. Welcome to this 72-story skyscraper soaked with elegance जिसके टॉप पर है एक हेलीपैड, एक एक्सालरेटिंग ऑब्जर्वेटरी जो देगा आपको ईगल आई व्यू ऑफ द सिटी और एक रॉयल रूफटॉप रेस्टोरेंट विद अ बैंक्वेट. ये एक मिक्स्ड यूज डेवलपमेंट है जिसका कॉन्सेप्ट फॉरेन में बहुत कॉमन है, लेकिन अब ये इंडिया में भी इंट्रोड्यूस हो चुका है विद दिस प्रोजेक्ट. दिस प्रोजेक्ट इज स्प्रेड अक्रॉस 17.5 acres. It has ultra premium and futuristic office spaces. At such a height, one feels like walking in Manhattan, New York. These offices are almost sold out with only a few units left. It also has studio apartments that offers eagle eye view of the whole city and beyond. Such is the demand that all the units of studio apartments are sold out. Let me tell you that these units excel in exclusivity with separate lifts and lobbies. It also has a mall, so one can get anything they want. ये ट्रैवल टाइम बहुत ज्यादा सेव करता है क्योंकि किसी को किसी भी चीज के लिए बाहर जाना नहीं पड़ेगा. दिस प्रोजेक्ट इज अ स्मॉल सिटी इन इटसेल्फ. ये कॉन्सेप्ट अब इंडिया में भी सच्चाई बन चुका है एंड दिस प्रोजेक्ट इज प्रूविंग दिस. स्टार्ट कराते हैं वर्ल्ड क्लास येट आउट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड प्रॉपर्टी का, दैट इज Spire Residencies, ready to move in luxury homes. Let me tell you that they are selling like hotcakes, so those interested to buy must hurry up. Let's get into the entrance lobby. Entrance पे आपका रॉयल वेलकम करेगी पैलेटियल ट्रिपल हाइट एंट्रेंस लॉबी. Right above the lobby is an exclusive club named Club S. Perfect meeting space for all occasions, formal ho ya casual, with a cafe, spa, swimming pool, game rooms and much more. Yes, you can have your iconic home here, this iconic tower. Now let's move towards our dream home जो आता है two options में, 3 and 4 BHK. That's unique, spacious, extravagant. The apartment looks inviting with a textured wall finish. The kitchen, living room, dining room, entrance and lobby all are decked with imported marble and granite. Be it AC, lighting, curtains or electronic system, everything here is automated. Every apartment is secured with a video door phone linked to main security via intercom. Now let's get into details room by room. So this is the master bedroom. Bedrooms are decked with a combination of Italian marble, high quality flooring. There's also a modular walk-in closet designed by the international brands. Speaking of the bathroom, it has import quality equivalent to global brands. Stepping into the modular kitchen, जिसमें है imported fitting and fixtures, chimney with exhaust fan, piped gas supply. Those wearing can even customize it to their taste with services from topmost brands. Just so you know, all the apartments have separate servant bedrooms and toilets to maintain your privacy. आइए अब आपको दिखाते हैं कैसी लगती है दुनिया when you enjoy the spectacular 270-degree view of the Yamuna and the Delhi skyline from the tallest waterfront development in India.
Supernova Spira is located along Noida Expressway at Sector 94, Noida, overlooking Yamuna, a sea of refreshing greenery of Okhla Bird Sanctuary and the monumental Rashtriya Dalit Prerna Sthal. And the Noida Expressway from up here looks like the Hot Wheel toys from which we used to play in our childhood. During rains, ये टावर बादलों में खो जाता है and that view cannot be described in words. It's a hub of IT, education, commerce, health and hospitality, everything a life needs. और सेक्टर 94 कोई ऑर्डिनरी सेक्टर नहीं है. It's the growing hotspot of Noida, an upcoming downtown, equivalent to what Connaught Place is to Delhi or Manhattan is to New York. It is strategically located at the intersection of South Delhi, Noida and East Delhi. It has an elite neighborhood for having Sector 125, 126 and 127 just a stone throw away, with MIT University, HCL Technologies and a lot of landmarks around. बात हो क्वालिटी जॉब्स की, शॉपिंग की, एजुकेशन की या हेल्थ केयर की, यहाँ है सभी, बस कुछ मिनट्स की दूरी पर. नोएडा में ये सही कहते हैं, सेक्टर 94 है हार्ट ऑफ नोएडा, दिल और दिल्ली दोनों के पास. बीट मेट्रो, हाईवेज और एयरपोर्ट, इट हैज़ ऑल. Highway and metro are right at the entrance, and an upcoming international airport at Jewar is just 30 minutes drive. To sum it all up, Supernova Spira is a piece of sky for the stars of Earth.
So I hope you are intrigued by this exceptional property. And if you are interested to buy, then you may contact us on the details given in the description or shown on your screen. So अगर आपको आज का वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो प्लीज वीडियो को लाइक कर देना एंड शेयर कर देना एंड कमेंट करके बताना कि नेक्स्ट वीडियो आप कौन सी टूर करना चाहेंगे.